a second. God's sake, let's go. There we go. Okay. All right, it's cause number 733-614, State of Texas versus James Ferguson. Are you James Ferguson?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir, I do.
Mr. Ferguson, you can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Ferguson, is it okay that we proceed on your MTR by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Ferguson, it looks like you were placed on, let's see, 90 days? 90 days of deferred adjudication for the offense of criminal mischief, 50 to 500 on August the 28th of 2024. Does that sound right?
Yes, sir.
All right, state's filed a motion to adjudicate you guilty and revoke that community supervision. You are aware of that, right?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right, they're going to read an allegation to you, Mr. Ferguson. Listen up, because you got to tell me if it's true or not true. Go ahead, state.
Yes, Your Honor, we're proceeding on violation on condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant James Dalton Ferguson did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of September and October 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
Mr. Ferguson, you understand that allegation against you, sir?
Yes, I understand.
Is it true or not true?
Yes, it's true.
Thank you, sir. Any others, state?
We're abandoning condition number 8, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ferguson, are you aware, sir, that based upon that plea of true, I could, if I thought it was appropriate, find you guilty of this case and revoke your community supervision?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead true?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir, I am.
Thank you, Mr. Ferguson. I will accept your plea of true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is.
Go ahead.
We request that you enter the adjudication of guilt and revoke the community state supervision. The state recommends a $0 fine, court costs, 28 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
Jim Willerson, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
Mr. Ferguson, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir, it is.
All right, Jim, does, oh no, it's a plea, so plea of true. All right, then, hang on just a second. All right, I find it true you violated condition number 4 of your deferred adjudication, Mr. Ferguson. After that plea of true, I find you guilty of the offense of criminal mischief, 50 to 500, a Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court, 28 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment, Mr. Ferguson, is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Ferguson, this is an adjudication of guilt. Following a deferred adjudication, you have limited rights to appeal that you can discuss with your lawyer if you need to have that discussion. Mr. Ferguson, you got any questions?
No, sir, I don't.
You take care of yourself. Stay well when you get out, all right?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, see you, Jim.